Hey people, so Ayush, should I bring the other two? See, I think the mother is possessive. She wants, they kept the two. So this is so sweet. Ayush, so this is Jupiter and this one is
Jasper.
Jasper. What has made you choose the name Jasper?
He looks like a Jasper.
What is Jasper?
He looks like somebody named Jasper.
Yeah, Casper I've heard of. I don't know what is Jasper. Casper is a friendly ghost. And this one is light brown and
This guy's just like
we
his
have to look
father
after
with
them.
big nails.
Yeah, with big nails, really.
Yeah, he has nails. Jupiter doesn't.
Jupiter is looking like,
A poncho.
yeah, one little laddu, white color laddu.
White dyed laddu.
White
Dyed laddu.
dyed laddu, the laddu that. Juppy.
Take Junior. Take Jasper.
No, you keep them.
Take Jasper.
All the best to you.
Take